Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this, free apps that actually pay cash, and you can obviously download them on your phone and you can be up and running with this method. Now I've picked out 3 different sites you can use because they're all a little bit different. So one of them over here, you can see you can get paid to test apps and websites. This one over here, you can actually earn a passive income, and then I'll go on to the third website with you in a little while. But look, earning money online and from home, it's 100% possible. Over on my blog here, I have got hundreds of articles about different ways you can make money online. I've got free affiliate marketing courses, I have got a free YouTube course, and many more. So go ahead and check the links down below because there's links over to my blog, my free courses, and lots more. But let's look at some of the websites we're talking about today and how you can start earning some, simple money with these methods. So the website I'm looking at here, let me just scroll this up to the top. It's called honeygain.com. Now I came across this probably about a week ago when I was doing a bit of research for a blog article over here. Now this here, you can see at this moment in time they're actually featured on Trustpilot. They've got 3,000 reviews on here, and what's that rating? That's about 4.4 out of 5 for this website over here. Now with Honeygain you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. So, if you're like me and you have unlimited internet each month, you can start sharing that and you can earn some decent money. There's a little walkthrough video on here, so if you click play, it opens up in a new tab and you can go ahead and have a look at this, okay? I'm not going to do that now, obviously. But if I scroll down here, you can see, look, this is an easy way to earn a passive income. Scroll further on the page here, it basically walks through all of this. So look, start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself online with a little online shopping spree. Come down here, we've got earn without compromising security. And then come down here, look, there's lots more, of the questions that you'd be asking on here. And then you can also estimate your earnings. So look, your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with the Honeygain network. Basically, the more you share, the more you earn. And if you come down here, look, daily traffic shared, and you can, this down here will show you how much internet you're sharing. You can toggle this wherever you want, basically. And then it also says down here, daily content delivery. So how much, how many hours in the day you're prepared to share your internet for. And again, you can play around with this. And if you have any more, worries or concerns, or even just frequently asked questions, if you click on what is content delivery, it will take you over to this page over. Oh no, it won't. If you click on there, let's try that again. It comes on here and it talks you through what is content delivery, how much, how does it work, what is a content delivery, numbers, locations, and recently they've done an update, so now you can actually download this and it's available in, well, I'm not going to read all of them, but you can see it's available in all of these countries here. And if you just keep scrolling down, there's lots more information about, Honeygain and what you can expect. Now, the reason why I found this one particularly interesting is previously I'd been looking into this over here. So this is called the Deeper Network, and this is it's recently launched about 3 or 4 months ago, and this is basically trying to go ahead and create what Honeygain are already doing. This is called where's it gone? Yeah, the Deeper.network. So you can go ahead and have a read about this, and basically how this works is you download a device, you don't download a device, you purchase a device and you can share your internet with everybody around the world. And if you want to watch things on Netflix which are not in your country and other bits, this platform here will allow you to do so. Now there's a lot of information on here, but the device that you need here, from memory, I think it's about $400 or $500. But look, you can go ahead and have a look at this if you want. But that's how I came across this over here, this Honeygain. It's a similar process in a fashion, and you're getting paid for sharing your internet, similar to what happens over here. Instead of this one over on this Honeygain, whereby you earn money, over on this platform here, you earn a token, so a cryptocurrency token. But again, both simple and easy ways to make money online. Only difference being is you need money for this Deeper.network. So that's the first website. It's this one over here. It's called honeygain.com. So go ahead, check it out, have a read about it, do your own research. But as I've mentioned, they've been around for a number of years. They're over on Trustpilot. You can read the reviews and, just go ahead and have a look at it. And you can go read the blog and other bits on here. If I click on About Us, I'm sure when I was looking at this earlier, they've got social links on here. If I scroll down to the bottom here, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So you can check them out on all of those different platforms. So let me close some of these apps over here. Apps. Let me close some of these tabs up here. Let's get rid of these. The next one I'm going to share with you is this one over here. It's called Userfeel.com. Now, over on this website here, look, basically you get paid to test out different websites, different, mobile apps and other bits. And look, in order to test websites, you can get paid $10 per test. And it tells you, what you'll be doing on, different websites and what will be expected of you. But essentially, look, become a tester and earn $10 a test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So look, this isn't going to pay you a lot of money. Again, it's a simple and an easy side hustle. If you've got a little bit of time on your break at work or, on an evening or a weekend, you want an easy way to make some extra money, you can come over and check out this Userfeel. If I go over to the home page, you can see, come down here, they've currently worked with over 500 organisations. We've got many of them scrolling along on the top here. Come further on the page here. It talks, all of this, by the way, here, this is for people who've got an app, a website, they want feedback. They come over to Userfeel, they pay Userfeel, and then obviously they will pay you for going ahead and applying for these jobs. And if you come down here, these are all videos, by the way, and look, watch examples of user testing with our tool, and you can go and have a look at other people on the platform who have tested different websites and apps and given feedback. So there's lots of information on here, and what you want to be looking for is, it's not at the top actually, I was going to say you can click on the top, but if you come down here where it says testers, there's a frequently asked questions page here, and also get paid to test. So if you go into any of these, it will tell you, exactly what you need to do, how it works. So if you click on here, again, a short video, 4 minutes, showing you how it works, what the usability testers do. Go through and have a read of this. More importantly, let's scroll down and see how much money we get paid, how we get paid, sorry. So if I come down here, it is, I'm sure it's PayPal. Yes, so look, you can get paid via PayPal. But here's a cool thing, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can also receive Amazon gift cards. So there's two different methods that you can get paid out using this website over here. Again, it's been around for a number of years. You can reach out to them on many different platforms. There's also a blog, so you can go, read more information about this. But it's just another simple and easy way to make money online and from home. So this one is called Userfeel.com. The last one I'm going to share with you is, where's it gone? This one over here. It's called funnily enough, it's called the Money app. So you can see the Money app is very simple to use. Getting some extra money really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So you earn credits, and basically over on this platform here, you can download it on the App Store, the Google Play Store, and on here, look, you're completing tasks. Now these tasks vary. You can see down here, it can vary from watching a video, sharing something, whether it's on a social media platform, completing surveys, and many more. And then if you scroll down here, look, once your credits balance, basically every time you complete a task, you get paid a credit. Once you've received enough to go ahead and cash out, you can basically swap those points for prizes, or in this instance, money, and then this will be sent over to your PayPal account. And payout takes around 48 hours, and it's paid directly to your bank. So that is the third website. And over here we can see it's available on Google Play and also on the App Store. Let's click on there and have a look at this. So we'll go over to the here, and we can see it's got, blimey, that's a good rating. It's got a 4.9 out of 5-star ratings with 127,000 people giving the feedback. So that's incredibly high. If we scroll down here, look, we've got images from the iPad, the iPhone. So this is what it looks like inside of the app. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If you come down here, you can go ahead and read all of the latest reviews on here. And look, it even goes back to 2018. So again, another app and website which has been around for a number of years. Simple and an easy way to make money online. Now, all of these things we've been looking at today, you're going to be trading your time for money, with the exception of this one over here, this Honeygain, where you're trading your internet for money. So out of all of these three we've looked at today, this one here, because it can bring you in a passive income, it's probably the best way to make money online and from home, from the video that we've looked at today. So look, that's today's video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But look, if you did find it useful, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. I will drop a link below to all of the blog, everything else that we've spoken about today. But look, if I hope this gives you some inspiration that you can make money online, whether you're looking to earn a little bit of money, a side hustle, or indeed a full-time passive income online. There's hundreds of different ways that you can do this. You'll find lots of resources over on my blog. We do reviews and lots more. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.